Hello everyone, and welcome to English for Fun with teacher Alice. And today let's learn a new letter. Let's start. Can you make the letter sound? I can show you how. What letter shall we learn? Let's find out now. And today we're going to learn the letter Q. This is the capital Q. This is the lowercase q. Now you know how Q looks like. Let's make the letter sound. Q, Q, Q. Q, Q, Q. Q for queen, queen, queen. Q for quarter, quarter, quarter. Q for quill, quill, quill. Q for question, question, question. This is the letter Q. Q, Q. Let's write it down. Q, Q, Q. Now it's game time. Let's play a game. What is it? 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 It's a quill. It's a quill. What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it? It's a queen. It's a queen. What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it? It's a question. It's a question. What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it? It's a quarter. It's a quarter. Well done. Good job. I hope you will enjoy the video, and if you want to keep on learning and having fun with us, click like, subscribe. It's teacher Alice and it's English for Fun. See you next time. Bye bye for now.